everyone, and welcome to Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen. I am here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. Always a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you.
And I can just say already, this smells amazing. So go ahead and tell us what we're doing today.
Okay, so we're making a barley bean chili.
Perfect.
Okay, it's chili season. And so already in the pan, we have going some onions, garlic, poblano pepper, and 2 kinds of bell pepper.
And that is just color.
Sauteing away. And when that's nice and soft, this is just super easy. This is some barley. Okay, barley is really, really good for us. Barley's been known to help lower cholesterol levels when eaten regularly. Okay, some beans. So these are some navy beans. Use whatever beans you have.
Okay, that was gonna be like if you had to use certain ones, or you just kind of whatever you got, whatever you like.
Yeah, I mean, garbanzo beans might not be your first pick for chili, nor would black beans maybe.
Right.
But if you have them, they're still a bean, right? Kidney beans would be a great choice for this. And then we have some crushed tomatoes.
Okay.
Okay, so that's just going right in.
And I'm assuming by the size of the pan itself, this is an awesome option. Like, it's fall football, you've got people coming over for the game. This would be something great and easy to do.
Feeds a crowd, stores well, make it way ahead of time, keep it in the fridge or the freezer.
Okay.
And then the next ingredient that's going in is some vegetable stock, but I actually prefer to use the one that's from concentrate, and you can get a low sodium version if you're interested in that. But so this is 1 teaspoon per cup of water. It says so right on the lid. But this is just going to get mixed right in, and it's a lot more economical than getting the quart, you know, like the Tetra Pak.
Yes. And it is better for you, less sodium. Is that what you were mentioning?
Well, I mean, you can get a low sodium. Yeah, you can get a low sodium version. Okay, so this is just going to cook away until the barley has absorbed water. It's nice and chewy and thick. And, oh, I forgot the spices. Okay, this goes in before the liquid and the beans.
Hey, that's all right. We're just throwing it all in a pan.
That's right.
Good.
Isn't it going to make a huge difference? But sometimes it does taste better if you were to like
if
toast.
It's just soaked in a little.
Well, if it toasts those spices that are in there, the chili powder and the cumin. But anyway, it's not going to make that big of a difference. So that is all stirred in now. Oregano, chili powder, cumin, salt and pepper, some bay leaves. All go in. Again, bring this to a simmer, cook it until the barley is nice and tender, and you're ready to go. But I will say, cooking it the night before, put it in the fridge, heat it up the next day, those flavors really intensify and meld.
Just gets kind of like, it just kind of joins together more. Okay, perfect. Well, it's the tasting time, which I always love. It's so pretty. And I'm going to quick take a bite here. It's really good. It's hearty feeling.
Right.
It's perfect for football and fall and all those good things.
It doesn't necessarily need that meat.
No, it really doesn't, because you get enough of that flavor just right there with the beans.
Right.
This is really yummy too. Obviously, you can find out more information about this recipe and many more recipes at kjrh.com.